everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Creations 1. Today we are going to be reviewing how to hide yarn ends or hide threads. So you're going to need your garment. For me, it's this little dog sweater that I made. It's a new pattern. If you think that I should actually do a tutorial on how to do this pattern, let me know in the comments because yeah, I haven't done one yet, but I'm not sure if anyone's interested. So let me know. Anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this item and we're going to turn it inside out. Okay? There we go. Now, we are going to pick a thread. Thread our needle. Now, this is a crafting needle. And I don't use yarn needles because crafting needles are a little bit pointy. Yarn needles are usually blunt, and I want the little sharpness to help me get through all these tight stitches I've done. So we're going to start by putting our fingers to the front. We don't want to go through the stitches in the front. We just want to go through the loops at the back. We'll go through a few of them. Then you pull through. Now you don't want to distort the edge if you're doing this on an edge. So you just make sure you don't pull too tight, okay? Then what we're going to do, so we don't have to do knots, is we're just going to go a bit behind where the working yarn is coming out. So you see how the working yarn is coming out there? We're going a bit behind and past. We pull through, and we're just going to do that for every stitch we do until we've used up our length of yarn, or until we're confident that we've done at least 3 passes or so. Okay, so then we struggle. Sorry about that. There we go. So we pull it through. Then we give it a trim with the worst scissors possible. And then look, guys. It's not on the front. You can hardly see it on the back. I just should have trimmed it a little bit more. But it doesn't move because we anchored it with those back stitches. And that's all there is to hiding your threads. So I hope this was helpful to you. If it was, make sure you hit that subscribe. I try and do new tutorials every Thursday. And yeah, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye now.